Okay. Wait. Uh, okay, okay, so, hi. Okay, today I'm just gonna be playing this SCP game, the IKEA SCP game. So, yeah, so, yeah, I'm scared. So, now there's like beds. Okay, one sec. What is like flickering light? What's my headlight on? Like this physics. Wait, I need to. You're Harry. Wait, what is this? Wait, that's sprint. Then this one's I need to turn. Oh, that's one. I swear I'm. This is scary. I don't know why, but it's not actually scary, but it's scary for some reason. I don't know why. Okay, now how do I escape? So I just find like I find like the exit is not already like I didn't actually read it. Yeah, okay. I lost my freaking energy. Now no, I don't want to get. I don't get. It's not happening today. No, not happening today. No, not happening today. Bye. 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 I hate this. Stop it. God. Okay, I'm gonna just, that's impressive art, to be honest. Okay, this is too. This is too scary for my eyes. Okay, so okay, I'm gonna just read the rules now. Okay, I'm gonna find a working computer at one of the pillars. Apply for objective using the computer. The next night, your objective will be given. Complete the objective. Okay. Okay. So I need to find a working computer. What was that? That scared me! What was that? Okay, where's the working computers? Computers, where are you? Computers. Oh, is that a computer? Wait, is that a computer? place will be closing. Statues. You're gonna kill me. Okay, I'm going. How do I I'm just gonna go here. What's up here? Okay, I'm freaking scared. Now what do I do? Why are there beds? What is this? Am I supposed to do parkour? I might take fall damage. Ah! I hate this! Oh my god, how do I get my health back? Ow! Wait. How do I get my health back? I swear. Where do I get my health back? I swear if the lights turn off again, I'm gonna freak out. I also hate that grass moves. Because, I don't know, it's scary for some reason. Now what do I do? Is there like working? That's scary. Wait, what's that? Was that glowing? I'm staying. Or was this a lamp? Now I just need to find it. Ah! Okay. Alright guys, one of those guys. Don't hurt me. Don't freaking hurt me. I need to get up. Wait. Is that a computer? Wait. Ooh. Okay, where are the boxes? I need a. Where are the things? I wanna do the Harura wizard trick. Because yes. Wait, who's that? Who's that? Is that a player? Yes, it's a player. Hey you! I need a friend! I need a friend. My melody! I need a friend! Ah! I don't want to go walking! No, don't hurt me. I need a friend! Hey, I need a friend! My melody, I need a friend! Wait, there's another person called Sun. Oh god. It's one of those people. Where are they now? How do I, don't hurt me. Wait, where are they? 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 Where are god. Wait, is that a working computer? I can't go! Ah! Okay, I need to exit the building. Okay, help me. Help me. How do I exit the building? Help me. This is scary. It's so scary. It's scary. What's that? What's that glowing thing? It's scary. Why is it so scary? I'm going! Mama! No!
Excuse me. Historic doors are closed. Please exit the building.
Ah! Yeah. Yeah. Bye. Bye.